Children, in the last class we learned about other activities, rearing of animals, how farmers depends on the crops. In this lesson, Dokur, a village on the plateau. Next part we are going to learn about market and transportation. How farmers market what they produce in that area and how they transport that into other villages or towns or cities. Okay. While the paddy produced in the village is sold in the agricultural market of Devarakadra, the cotton is marketed in Jetcharla and Madanapuram. So, paddy which is produced in the village, this is sold in agricultural market. Where it is? Devarakadra Mandal. Where it is? Devarakadra. In Devarakadra Mandal there is an agricultural market. The farmers sold that paddy crop in that village. And cotton is marketed in Jetcharla and Madanapuram. These are in Vanapatti road. The village has its own village kantas. The village has own kantas, weighing machines. Then village kantas means weighing machines. Kantas means, do you know? Weighing machines. They have own kantas. And many farmers use them as they believe the kantas in the market are often incorrect. Why they do this own kantas to that agricultural market? Because they don't believe the kantas which they are using. One of the problems the farmers face is the arbitrary decision on prices by the traders. One more problem is traders give some difference in prices. Many farmers are dependent on loans from traders for purchasing seeds, pesticides and fertilizers, hence have to accept the price offered by them. Many of the farmers, they don't have much money to cultivate the crops, so they took money from the traders. Traders means these people give the money to the farmers to grow the crops. And the time of crops, the time of these crops, they give some price rate. So these farmers have to accept the price what they decided. Repeated crop failures make the farmers indebted to the traders as they cannot return the loan and there is risk of losing their land. Repeated crop. If they repeat the crop, they did not get much money. So that time they can't pay the loan amount to the traders. So that time they lost and they face the risk problems. Next come to the village settlement. Village settlement. What is village settlement? There are about 570 families in this village. How many families are there in this village? Dokur village, 570 families. About 3,400 people as per 2011 census. Not for 2019-18. 2011 census, 3,400 people. Of these, about 350 families are of various castes who own most of the land in the village. 350 families. 350 families having own land in this village. Out of 570 families, 350 families having own land. The remaining 220 families depend mostly upon wage labor either in this village or nearby villages. Wage labor, daily wages. They depend on daily wages. Either in that village or nearby villages, they go for work and for daily wages. Their land holding is less than half acre each. All of them are agricultural laborers. As we saw earlier, they also migrate. So, all in this village are agricultural laborers. All are agricultural laborers. they are migrating from one place to another, to towns and cities for another work. Out of the 350 families, there are 3 or 4 large families, farmers with about 30 acres of land. So I said 350 families having own land, but among these 350 families, only few farmers having 30 acres land. Most other farmers have only about half to 5 acres. Hence, most of the cultivators are small farmers. Only few farmers having own land 30 acres. Remaining all having how much? Half to 5 acres. So they depend on the cultivators, or these are called small farmers. In the earlier days, roofs of the houses were made of baked clay and walls with mud. Wood was not used much in the earlier days. Wood was not used much. Then what is used in those days? They used baked clay and walls with mud. The new houses use steel, brick and concrete. Stone and mud is easily available from the nearby quarries. The houses of the poor are thatched or have tin sheet roofs. So many are farmers and they are poor. So they have only huts with thatched roofs. Most houses in the village have electricity connection. Earlier, the people of Dokkur depended on wells for drinking water. Earlier, people depended on wells for drinking water. They used well water for irrigation and for drinking also. Nowadays, drinking water is supplied through an overhead tank which draws its water from a bore pump. Nowadays, they are dependent on bore pumps. Water is supplied through taps once every 2 days. In this village now, water is supplied through taps twice. That means once every 2 days. All houses have tap connections that have been provided by the government agency. Every house having tap connection. So this tap connection given by the government in that village. How are roads and markets in this area? There are few shops in the village such as kirana shops, chicken center, vegetable shops, pawn shops and so on. Buses fly from Mahbubnagar to Dokkur village. Buses fly from Mahbubnagar to Dokkur village. Some shops also there in this village. What are the shops? Kirana shops, vegetable shops, pawn shops, chicken center, etc. A few buses fly from Devarkadra to Vanapatti via Dokkur. And some more few buses go from Devarkadra to Vanapatti via Dokkur, which is linked to National Highway 44. Most of the villages travel by shared auto. Very few buses are there. So, most of the villages travel by shared auto or rickshaws. Towards the north of the village, there is a railway station where 3 local trains stop. There, one local train is also running. This train has 3 stops only. So, that is the transport of that village. Okay, about this village, I explained the village, location of the village, and Dokkur, how it got the name, and climate, rainfall, soils of the village, water tank, about cultivation, crops, different type of crops. And now in this class I explained about market and transportation. Now lesson 4 is completed. Go through this lesson once again, read all parts and answer the questions what you have in the textbook in boxes. Okay, now lesson 4 is completed.